Today I'm going to show you how to make wonton. Wonton is deep fried wonton and it's good for the party or starter. So one of my family favorite snack. So I'm going to show you first is wonton filling, and here is this is the wonton pastry. I bought it from Asian shop and you guys can find it there too. And for my filling I got a pork, grind pork. I have a pork around 150 grams of pork mint, so put in my bowl here. And my veggie I got cabbage, all I chop up, one small portion of cabbage and one small of onion. I've been also chop it, and around 2 stems of spring onion I also chop it, and one medium size of carrot I also chop it. So I'm going to put all my veggie in the bowl here. And here is for the salt and the powder. So I have around 1 tablespoon of corn flour to thicken all my veggie and my meat. So put everything in here. And I have 1 egg yolk here. So go into my filling too. And I have 1 teaspoon of chicken mix powder. Is optional. I like it, so I'm going to put it. You guys doesn't have, don't worry about it. So I'm going to put here. And I have around 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. And I have pepper, white pepper. I'm going to put around 1 teaspoon of it. And here I have sesame oil, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So this you can put a lot, otherwise very strong smell. Just put 1 to it's good taste and good smell too. And I have garlic powder, so I'm going to put my garlic powder into my filling bowl around 1 teaspoon. So just spread like that. So all my veggie, my sauce and my powder coming together. So now I'm going to give a good mix together. So here my filling almost coming together well. So now I'm finished making all my filling together. So now time to start filling the pastry. Make it. So now let's starting folding the wonton. So here the pastry of the wonton is just put on the chopping board like that. And take 1 full of filling with the teaspoon full like that. Put in the center, and you're going to wet water on the center all sides. Wet it with your finger like that. And you're going to fold like to one side like this, like that, and just press it down both sides. Press it down like that. You can see a bit tight, no air, and then you just wait here, wait all this both sides, and bring it together like this. Like that. So now is wonton is look like. So I put in my plate. So here the last one, and just put it here, and with all the edges here. Fold it together like this, like that. So it fold it together like that. So here all is my wonton. Here put on the plate here. So now I'm going to deep fry it. So now let it fry the wonton. Here I have a pot and I turn on in high heat, and I've been put the oil around 2.5 cup of cooking oil. So I've been turned on maybe around 1 minute now. So I'm going to check my oil that's hot enough. So I have the scooter. So I'm going to put it here. So now my oil starts hot. I think it's hot enough to deep fry my wonton. Always when you deep fry, the oil needs to be hot. So here I'm going to put my wonton into my hot oils in my pot one by one, like this. Yeah. So when you put wonton in a hot oil to fry, you have to keep stirring, so it won't stuck in the bottom and burn at one side. So you keep frying this until all are crispy and brown. So now I'm done. Here is how wonton, when we finish frying, how it looks like. All both sides are brown and golden. It smells so yummy. Can't wait to try it. So here is my wonton done. Look beautiful. This is good for party or snack, or some have like starter before dinner. So I hope you enjoy my video and see you again soon. Bye.